Hello, today we will guide you through how to use search in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the search box, enter a useful query, and view your results so you can quickly find the messages or files you need. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and navigate to any channel or conversation. It doesn't matter which one you choose for this demonstration. The search tools work the same across your workspace. Once Slack is open, make sure you can see the top navigation area. Next, look toward the very top of the Slack window for the search bar. It typically sits in the header and may display a prompt like Search in Slack. This is a global search box, which means it looks across channels, direct messages, and files you have access to, not just the conversation you're currently viewing. If you don't see it, try widening your window or hovering your cursor near the top. It should still be available in the header. Click into the search bar and type a sample term you want to find. As you begin typing, Slack often suggests recent searches, people, channels, and helpful modifiers. To get better results, try being specific. You can search for exact phrases by putting them in quotes, like quarterly report. You can also include helpful filters right in your query, such as from @teammate to focus on messages from a specific person, in as channel to limit results to a particular channel, or has link to find messages that include a URL. Date-focused filters like before, 2026-0101, or after last week can narrow your results to a time frame. These aren't required, but they can save time when you know roughly where or when something was shared. After entering your query, press Enter to run the search. Slack will display your results in a dedicated view. You'll typically see messages and files that match, along with options to switch between categories like messages and files. Skim the snippets to confirm you found the right item. When you click a result, Slack opens the full conversation or file in context so you can review the surrounding discussion, react, or follow up. If your results are too broad, return to the search bar at the top of the results page and refine your terms. Add a person, a channel, or a date filter to zero in on exactly what you need. That's it. Open Slack, find the search bar, type your query, and press Enter. With a few focused terms and filters, you'll locate information faster and keep work moving.